Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's been a while without talking about ChatGPT. Here it is. There's a new update, August 21, 2023. I know, some days ago. Anyway, now you have custom instruction available to all the users, even in EU and UK, because they were available in USA, if I'm not wrong. But what are custom instruction? I want to show you very quickly what they are and how you can use them even with the free version of ChatGPT. In the meantime, if you like this kind of video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And before showing you custom instruction, you also have another new feature. This is not for ChatGPT, but for GPT 3.5 Turbo APIs. Now you can fine-tune your model. So this is interesting because you will have improved steerability, reliable output formatting and custom tone. You can upload your files, you have some instructions here. It's quite technical. You can prepare your data like this, you can upload files, and then you can create a fine-tuning job. This will be very useful for anyone using APIs. Obviously, you have some costs for training your model, and these are the costs. Anyway, you have an example here. To train with 100,000 tokens, you will spend $2.40, really nothing. Anyway, let's go inside ChatGPT and let's take a look at custom instruction. You can find them here. In my case, they are here. This is the free version for ChatGPT. I'm not using GPT-4. I'm not actually subscribed to the Plus version. I'm just using the default one. Anyway, here you have, as you can see, custom instructions, and I just tried something some minutes ago. As you can see, in this box you can include some data. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? And these are just some examples. You can put anything you want here. Where are you based? What do you do for work? What are your hobbies and interests? And so on. I just used these. I'm based in Italy and I'm an SEO expert and blogger. My business is named Digital Toolcase. And then you have this other box here. How would you like ChatGPT to respond? Again, some example. How formal or casual should ChatGPT be? How long or short should responses generally be, and so on. Take in consideration that if you use these fields, all your chats will use them. So if you want to change them between one chat or another, you will need to update these instructions. Again, I tried these simple instructions. Try to always include a reference to my business when writing about my services. I want you to be more casual in the style of writing and always include examples. So this is just an example of how you can use these custom instructions. These theoretically will make your writing more focused on what you need and fast, because now I show you what I did. I just asked ChatGPT to write a Facebook ad copy for my SEO services without giving other instructions, and as you can see, it's using my data because it's saying boost your online presence with Digital Toolcase SEO Magic. So it used my business name, let's call it like that, SEO, because I told ChatGPT that I'm an SEO. And again, hey there, fellow Italian entrepreneurs, because I told ChatGPT that I live in Italy, and so on. As you can see, it's including my business name, my SEO expertise, and so on. So it's in fact using custom instruction, but let's try something different. I want to try something like this. I don't know if it will work or not, but I just told here I love chess, and here when writing try to use analogies coming from the chess game world. This is just an example of how you can use these custom instructions, I suppose. So let's create a new chat and let's try with this one, generate a persuasive copy about my relationships improvement course. I don't have any kind of course like this, obviously, but I just want to see if it will use the chess analogies in this text. So let's try. And as you can see, just as a skilled chess player strategically plans their moves, so it's using chess analogies, and here again, just as chess requires patience and practice, so it's working, it's using my custom instructions that I put here. Now, I suppose you have these activated, so you can try by yourself and find your best use case for custom instructions with ChatGPT, and again it's available even for the free version of ChatGPT, so you don't need the plus version. That's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, just a quick update about how to use ChatGPT. Thank you very much. If you want, I have other videos about ChatGPT. You can find them on my channel or by clicking here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.